So you're looking to make the transition from another streaming platform to Twitch, and you're like, holy crap, there's a lot of stuff that I have to set up. Where do I start? I get it. I did it just a couple months ago and wish I would have known some things in advance to making the move because it would have helped me transition over much smoother. We're going to talk about that and more. Stay tuned.
I'm the CEO, it's Mega Chop, you already know.
This video is coming on the heels, unfortunately, of Mixer's big announcement that their platform will be no more and all of their creators who choose to will transfer over to Facebook Gaming. I've noticed a lot of creators making a move that I just made a couple months ago from Mixer to Twitch. I have the experience, not that I don't want to support everybody moving to the different platforms, but I'm going to talk about things that I know about. So I'm going to share with you things that I would have loved to known about before I made the move to make it an easier transition. I look forward to talking about this information with you today. I hope that this helps ease your transition to Twitch. If you have any questions that you want to talk about live, join me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday evenings over on Twitch at twitch.tv/megachopceo. I'm going to go through the streaming platform basics as I see it to help you not only familiarize yourself with what you're looking at, but also give you an idea of how to navigate your own page to get it set up and get yourself ready to rock and roll the right way the first time. As we go through, I'm going to go ahead and show you live right on the channel. So let's hop in. Here we have Twitch's main page. It's not too hard to figure out. The top portion is going to be their featured streamers. Then, as you've indicated your preferences as you viewed on Twitch, you're going to see recommendations to channels that they think you would like, and then categories, so on and so forth. The first page is pretty easy to navigate. Where it gets a little bit trickier is as you dive into your own page and you want to get into the finer details. So to get to your own page, once you're logged in, you're going to click your face, your basic icon, whatever you have there, and then click on channel. Here is what you are going to see if the content creator you are seeking is offline. This is their main page. Here you see who I am, my follower count, and then it goes into recent broadcasts. It's going to show you the categories that I've streamed recently. And at the bottom, the streamers that I suggest. Sorry, Psychoholic, totally unintentional. My camera's covering your face. Yeah, we'll go with that. On this page, you will have the option to follow or unfollow, turn on or turn off notifications, as well as subscribe or gift subs to communities. A neat feature on Twitch is you can subscribe for $4.99 at a tier 1, $9.99 at a tier 2, and $24.99 at a tier 3. There are additional emotes that unlock as you continue, and you can also gift subscriptions in those same tiers as well. And you can go anywhere up to 100 subs at once. Now, hopping into the About section is where you're going to gain even more customizability. Your About is going to be customized in your settings. You also get to add in your individual social media links. The panels, though, is what we want to talk about specifically on this page. These are all the panels that you see when you go to my page underneath my stream. Currently, I have this countdown. You can also check subs and cheers and see what's at the top, who's where. Here also is my About, little description of myself. This About is not clickable by choice. I don't have an About page, but I do have a YouTube channel, a Twitter, a Discord, and you can click on each of these individually and it will take you directly to those. You can, if you have companies that you partner with, you're affiliated with, you're sponsored with, you can add those in as well. and have clickable links that take you to them. I will walk you through that. By clicking Edit Panels, this opens up much more customizability to each of these. So we have panels in here already, but you're going to be starting out fresh without any panels. So if we click the plus, which is going to be what you see to start with, you can add a text or an image panel, and this is going to be what pops up, which is how I edited all of these. You can add your image. It gives you the requirements that it needs to be scaled to 320 px wide. Then here, if you wanted a clickable link for the banner, so you can just click the banner and it'll take you right to a web page, you add that link in here. And if it's a banner that you need text below it, you simply add that right into the description. And so on and so forth. So I have my YouTube panel. I have my YouTube link added right in there so that once you click this, so that you're no longer editing panels, right there you can click on my YouTube and that will take me to my YouTube. Hey guys, just an example for you how the links work. Totally not self-promoting. And as far as the different interactives go, if we go to Edit Panels again, you can add pretzel rocks. You can add features that allow individuals to spend bits to activate different sounds on your stream. There are Call of Duty trackers, which will display your stats. The options that they have is incredible. For my Mixer friends, this is somewhat similar to the Mix Play. It kind of substitutes in different unique ways in that way. Now if we move into schedule, here again in your settings you can update your schedule. We're going to talk about this more. It's pretty straightforward. This is where you keep all of your llamas. I mean, this is where you input your schedule, obviously. Then we go to videos, and this is where I get kind of geeked out because your recent broadcasts are all categorized here. On top of that, though, this link that says chapters, I normally stream just chatting to start out, then transition to Warzone, and frequently to Minecraft Dungeons, all within the same stream. Past experiences, they were all lumped into one VOD, and it was hard. I would have to kind of cut through. This is different. You click this chapters. Here you see I did just chatting for a little over an hour. I did Call of Duty for a little over an hour and a half. And then I did Minecraft Dungeons for 5.5 hours. Holy cow. You can go to that individual portion of the stream by clicking right on which chapter you want. As you see, this loads the bar partway into the stream where I changed the title to Minecraft Dungeons and we were switching over. Also on this page, you're going to see recent highlights, if you've uploaded anything, as well as popular clips on your channel. So if I wanted to check out how it went on our snake feeding stream, there you go. That's how it went. And then at the bottom, it has all the videos. Then if you click on chat, this is going to be the familiar view that you're used to seeing when you're watching a stream. You're going to see the stream here. You can see that I'm actually hosting my good friend Psychoholic, and that's why you see his stream here currently. The chat for my chat room is along the side, and if I scroll here so that you can see past where my camera is, it shows hosting Psychoholic 1369, and I could click his name or I can click check out Psychoholic, and that would take me to his stream as well so that you can watch whoever is being hosted. Now we're going to move in to just a couple things in the creator dashboard. So you click again on your face or your icon up here, then creator dashboard, and here's how you can change the title of your stream and some additional information, as well as look into how to raid someone. These are going to be the two that we cover here in this video. So editing your stream info is very simple. You click edit stream info, title, we all know what that is if we've been in streaming long enough. You throw that in there. Here's where on Twitch it sets it apart a little bit, and I get excited about this. It's fun to play around with. It's the go live notification. So if somebody already has Twitch up, they're going to see this little pop-up in the upper right-hand corner that says MegaChop CEO is live, and it's going to give that little message, whatever I put in there. And if someone has the Twitch app on mobile with my notifications turned on, this is also going to be what displays on their phone. So I've put silly things in there like, hey, I'm watching you. Is that weird? Totally not. Just click this. It's fun. Have fun with it. Also, here category, this is going to be Minecraft Dungeons or just chatting. Or within creative, there are multiple options. There's art and a lot that you can go through. Then there's also music. You just continue to search for whatever you need and you select that. So if I want just chatting, I type that in, click just chatting, and it changes it. Then tags. I like the tags because this is a sub feature that they can, not a subscription feature, but an additional feature that can be used on Twitch for finding content creators. For example, Backseat Gaming Allowed. I'm perfectly okay if people are like, hey, you missed something, or hey, I think it would work better this way. Some people don't like that, so don't add that. Also, family friendly, playing with viewers, things like that, adding those in. And then finally, your stream language. And when you're done, click done. And it lets you know that it updated it successfully. Then raid channel. This is fun, especially for all of our friends that are going to be coming over. There's going to be people that you meet and you want to raid. There's going to be old friends from your former platform that you're like, hey, they're over here. Let's go raid them up. Let's create some hype, right? So by default, this is going to be blank. And these individuals that I follow pop up as suggestions as people that I could raid. If I find somebody else that I want to raid, all I have to do is type their name in the bar. And as you saw before, my friend Psychoholic was in there. He's a great example. I can click his name. It'll show me his stream right there. And then I can click Start Raid. Now here, it's going to give the timer down to when it's ready to raid. What I do when I'm live, I do that start raid. I let that timer click down. Once it says raid now, I click raid. And then I wait a second and I click to end my stream in OBS. I'm sure there's other ways, but that's the way that I've found to work out best for me in the ways that I've tried. As promised before, we're going to look at a couple sections specifically on how to edit them. We saw the About section as well as Schedule. We're going to look at those specifically. So we are going back to our Creator Dashboard, followed by Preferences, and then Channel. We're going all the way down here to Bio, which is about almost halfway down on your page. And you can customize what you quickly want people to know about you in your stream. Once you put that in there, you click Save. Then we're going to go down to Schedule. Once at Schedule, this is very customizable. I, as you can see, have my stream times entered in Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to add in your stream times or more stream times, you click Add Stream. You select what your start time is normally and what days that start time exists. So say my start time is 8:30 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I put that in there. I stream for about 4 hours on those days. If I stream something specific every time, I can go ahead and select that and it's going to show that in my schedule. I can even add in a stream title if I wanted, and it will include that in the schedule. I like to free flow that a little bit. I change my stream titles almost every stream. And like I've mentioned before, I stream typically 2 to 3 different things in an evening when I stream, and I usually go longer than 4 hours. But these are just some generals that you can put in there to give people an idea of where you're at. Now say I stream at a different time on Tuesday and Wednesday. I can go ahead and add in on Tuesday and Thursday. I can go ahead and add in a custom schedule for Tuesday and Thursday and save that in there as well so that people can know exactly when to expect me on what days. I hope that you found this video helpful. I would love to know if there's anything that I didn't cover that you need to know. Reach out. Otherwise, you can join me live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday evenings at twitch.tv/megachopceo.